Wow. What an amazing place, guys. Welcome everyone, welcome to this amazing and beautiful city. Saudi is the beautiful city of Tel Aviv. The lovely, fascinating, the vibrant. Wow, what a beautiful sundown here in the city. That's really incredibly amazing, guys. Amazing and beautiful. Wow, what a wonderful place. What a lovely place.